Take a ride in the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, remote keyless entry, HD radio, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, Sirius Satellite Radio, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.